Hi, and I welcome you all for the today's session 1 in exercise 1 of Illustrator interface elements. Let us see the topic which are going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss about Illustrator software and its interface elements, along with some multiple choice questions. What is Adobe Illustrator software? This is the normal questions whenever we start any application software or any program. Adobe Illustrator is a vector graphics editor and design program developed and marketed by Adobe industry, originally designed for Apple Macintosh, and development of Adobe Illustrator began in 1985 to make a vector graphics with the help of drawings and some illustrations and artworks using Windows and Mac computers. Even one of the best software application software in a printing industry. Let us see the different interface elements of Adobe Illustrator CS3 software. What is interface element? If you open any software, a document will open, a new document will open. After opening a new document, what are all elements we have to interact to do some artwork or design? Here we have an application bar, menu bar, and some control bar along with toolbar, panels, and status bar and zoom box. These are the interface of the element of the interface element of the Adobe Illustrator software. Let us understand each interface element one by one. Before going to that, I already explained in the diagram what are all the interface elements we have. Even the canvas is also added in this. The arrangement of the interface element in the Illustrator window is called as workspace. Workspace means whatever the arrangements, which are the panels we require, and where the toolbar is there, where the control bar is there, and all those arrangements can be called as an individual workspace. We can save this workspace as our own. Whenever we open to document to design anything, this workspace is helpful and quickly access to do the work. We can create our own workspace as we have already told you. We can modify the workspace whenever the necessary is required. Let's see the application bar. The application, this is the diagram or the figure of the application bar. Let us see what the applications bar will do. The application bar is a horizontal bar positioned at the top of the Illustrator CS3 windows adjacent to the illustration icon. So this is the Adobe software application bar. Not only this, whichever the software, if you open it, this icon of the top of the bar, horizontal bar, is called an application bar. Below that is called as a menu bar. In the illustration icon, we can minimize, maximize, restore, and main Illustrator window is open. See, when this consisting of minimize, maximize, and close the application. This consisting in an Illustrator icon of the application bar. Next, the standard bar appears next to the illustration icon. Each menu contains list of related commands and perform the specific task. The application bar also displays the tools to execute the basic commands and arranging and open the documents in the file menu. Next, we can see the control panel. First, what we are seeing, application bar. Next to that, we have a menu bar, and below to that, in the header section, we have control panel. This control panel consisting of hidden options, strokes, brush, style, and opacity. Let us see the one by one. Open Illustrator software. Depending upon the system RAM speed, the applications will open quickly or slowly. Let us wait for a few seconds until it opens. After opening a new document, first we will see the application bar, next we will see the menus, next we will see the control bar. This is the open dialog box. It will open. Click on print document. After opening, we can see the application bar of a horizontal bar which consisting of minimize. Similar to that, we can maximize, and then close is also there. And below that we have a menu bar which consisting of file menu, edit menu, object, type, select, filter, effect, view, window, and help menu. What all of this will help? A file menu which can be used for a new file to open, or already saved file can be opened. Similar to that, we can save in a native file format. Save as is used for in a different file format. Along with, we can import the file and export the file, and document setup of a page layout can also be done. In the edit menu, we can use it for undo and redo of the whatever changes we have done. Similarly, cut, copy, paste in front, paste in back, even sometimes check the spelling is also we can use it, and some shortcuts and preferences can also be changed. In the object menu, we can arrange the elements in a workspace. We can group, we can ungroup, we can lock, unlock the whatever the design we have converted, and we can convert the vector graphics into raster graphics, some special blendings effects, even we can create the path, or we can wrap can be also, we can do it, text wrapping can also be, we can do it. These are the important thing we can do it in the object, even transformation, reflection, or movement of the object also we can do it. Then the type menu, which is used for, we can change the font, we can change the size, we can insert some special characters, even change case also we can done in the type menu. Similarly, in the select menu, we can select all the elements in the workspace, or deselect, or inverse we can do it. Similar to that, we can bring the object to the front and bring the object to the below. We can arrange, this arrangement can be done in select menu. In the filter menu, we can give the objects, vector objects, with a stylized effects using some filters. Similar to that, even we can do it in the effect menu with the advanced options, stylize, filters we can use it, rasters, and we can do it. The view options is used to view the rulers, guide, page, outlines preview, overprint preview, and fix to the some snap points, guidelines, adjustments and bounding box for to select the object, easily resize it. That also we can do it in this. In the Windows menu, we have a different controlling of the application software is available. For example, the interface elements of toolbars, control bar, palettes and brush attributes, even the type changes, some other, all the controlling we can get it on the Windows with the help of Windows menu. In the help menu, we can see what are all the things we can do it in Illustrator. With the help of instructions, we can do it for the new learner. This is the menu for functions. Below that, we have a control bar. This is the hide, as we already seen in the PPT, hidden. Whatever we are selecting, according to that, we can give the color to the box, or you can give the color inside, or the stroke thickness also you can give it. Instead of text, if you do for an object, it easily understand. So this is the box and this is the stroke color, stroke thickness or the size we may call it as, and the brush, different styles, or you can make it, see, this is how the stroke can be changed as a brush. Similarly, different styles is also there. We can apply the styles to this, okay, and we can make our own styles, and that is also done. In reducing the opacity of the color, make it transparent. It is also possible. See, the color has been reduced. Along with, we can arrange the artboard. With the help of selecting this, it will align to the artboard. And the bounding box size, what is the box exactly given? It gives the information of the box. What is the size, width and height, x and y direction in a point. Width, and you can increase the width in this. It is possible. If you increase the point, then automatically the size will also change. So it is changing. Depending upon the system speed, it quickly happens. I can change this so that it will change the size. See, width wise it has been increased. This is the one of the best advantages to control the objects with the help of. Now we will discuss some multiple choice question. The first question: how many main interface elements in Adobe Illustrator software? Let us see the options. First one is 6, second one is 5, third one is 4, and last one is none of the above. Already we have discussed in an Adobe Illustrator interface elements consisting of a status bar or applications bar, menu bar, control bar, canvas, toolbar and a panel groups along with zoom interfaces. This is the main elements of the Illustrator software. This is the clue to answer this question. Next, the arrangement of the interface elements in the main Illustrator window is called. The options are creative ideas, layout, workspace, or none of the above. To answer this question, the clue is to do any of our own work, we can create our own work arrangements. This is the clue to answer this question. Next question. We can create our own workspace or we can modify the workspace based on the task. Whether already we are told that to do a quickly job of the same type of continuation of the job, we can create our own workspace. This is the clue to answer this question, whether this statement is true or false. Next, the dash is the horizontal bar positioned at the top of the Illustrator CS3's windows. One is application bar, second one is menu bar, third one is control bar. These are the clue to answer this question. Let us see the options. Tools bar, application bar, sidebar, and none of the above. Next, the standard menu bar appears next to the illustration icon. Whether the statement is true or false. Already we have discussed, and I have told already I have said in the previous questions whether the statement is true or false. Next, the application bar also displays tools to execute the basic commands and arranging the open document. For example, we can give the color, we can modify the size, and we can do the alignment to the artboard. This is the clue to answer this question. Whether this statement is true or false, you have to answer it. Next question. The dash offers quick access to the options related to the objects we selected. I already told we can say increase the size, decrease the size, even we can align the artboard, and quick options we can do it from the in a control bar. This is the clue to answer this question. The options are toolbars, control panel, and sidebar, and none of the above. I thank you all once again.